Ever wonder if there's a better way to control and manage inventory ordering? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Join us as we show you how you can keep your shelves stocked with the click of a button, giving your team more time to focus on the important things, caring for patients. Let's dive straight in and check it out. Head over to Inventory Orders within the Financial tab and select Required Inventory. To create an inventory order for a specific location or supplier, work your way through the applicable fields. Alternatively, leave the fields blank to create an order for all stock, regardless of the supplier listed. Select Add to Order and then select Yes. That's all there is to it. All stock needing to be reordered has automatically been compiled into a list based on the thresholds you've configured. Next, save and approve the inventory order for ezyVet to create a purchase order for each supplier. Then simply save and approve each purchase order to finalize the ordering process. Hey presto, your inventory order is all done. No more manual counting to keep shelves stocked. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's have a look at how you can configure reordering thresholds on your products so that ezyVet knows how much to order. Open an existing product within the Admin tab and head to the Ordering tab to define the minimal level of stock you wish to maintain. In today's example, we're setting ours to have a minimum inventory level of 5. Next, we're going to use the minimum reorder amount. Set the unit to 10, then hit Save. This means that when the stock falls below 5, ezyVet knows to reorder 10 units of this product. You can also choose to have multiple thresholds with specific data ranges. For example, you may use more ear medication in spring, so you can configure your inventory to maintain higher stock levels during that period. And that's it. Simply set and forget, letting ezyVet do the hard work for you. To learn more about automatic inventory ordering, head to the Help tab and search Inventory.